you're on the market for an affordable earbud that's under $100, comes with amazing sound quality and a couple of good features, then the One More Color earbud should be under your radar. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stick around for the unboxing and my first impression of this earbud, and stay tuned for more videos. This is the One More Color bud. It's currently priced at $100 on Amazon and the company's website. The earbud packs some interesting features you would not normally find in earbuds under that price tag. With the ColoBuds, you get the usual premium One More sound quality, multiple color options, and a lightweight earbud that weighs in at just 4.1 grams. It comes with 4 ENC microphones, an IR sensor to enable autoplay and pause, and it's IPX5 water and sweat resistant. For connectivity, the earbud comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and offers up to 6 hours of usage from a full charge. As for the content of the box, you'll find 3 additional ear tips, a USB Type-C charging cable, and the ColorBuds inside. One More rates the ColorBud for up to 6 hours on a single charge, of which I can attest to this after weeks of consistent usage. You get a total battery usage of 22 hours with the included charging case, and if you're running low on juice, with just 50 minutes charge, you get an additional 2 hours of battery life. The ColorBuds are lightweight, extremely ergonomic, and reliable when it comes to its overall fit. The design of the buds are a mixture of normal with a splash of added style. They come in multiple colors including black, gold, green, and pink. The One More bud feels comfortable straight out of the box, and if they don't, you can try the included ear tips for a perfect fit. A small hole on the tip and a perfect fit helps with the overall sound quality. The rear housing of the earbud houses the touch control features, which are customizable with the help of the One More Music app. The vertical design of the earbuds help it stay in place even during intense activities such as running or working out in the gym. If you're not a fan of bulky looking earbuds, the One More Color buds have a smaller shape and they don't bulge out when you wear them. As for the app, the One More Color Bud app is simple and easy to use for setting up custom controls and firmware updates. During your initial setup, you'll be directed to update the earbud to a current firmware version that gives the ability to customize the ColorBuds tap control function with the options including pause, play, track control, volume control, and voice control. The update addresses the tap response issue that plagued the earbud at launch. I love the fact that companies like One More support firmware updates for their products even after its initial rollout. For sound and quality, with the ColorBuds, you would feel and hear One More's audio quality consistency unblemished record. It comes with full range balance drivers that are custom tuned, onboard support for AAC and aptX. You would get a stable connection and high quality sound when streaming Bluetooth audio. Generally, they sound great with a reasonable amount of clarity, good low end, and solid stereo separation. For $100, the ColorBuds shines with its 4 microphones and environmental noise cancellation technology that minimizes ambient noise to keep your voice clear during calls. The ColorBud offers a great listening experience for multiple genres. I didn't experience any disruptions or drop with music, podcast, or calls. From the time I spent using it, I personally thought the sound quality was consistent and balanced. Even with the absence of ANC on the ColorBuds, it does a great job blocking out external sound thanks to the soft ear tips that seal your ear canal. Overall, the One More Color bud offers a decent sound quality and battery life for its price tag. The firmware upgradability gives it a plus from us because it's a great way for companies to extend the capabilities of their product after initial rollout. If there's anything I would like to change with the One More Color buds, it's the glossy finish of the charging case, which serves as a fingerprint magnet. Well, that's it for our hands-on review of the One More ColorBuds. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stay tuned for more videos.